Greetings and welcome. My name is Aaron Craig, and this is my developer log for the end of January, beginning of February. So this week, something really exciting happened. I got our first game that we've made, our first card game. It's called The Game of Traffic, and we ordered it from the Game Crafter. So that's something that's been really cool. So we have a deck of cards that are all unique. We got Rules of the Road, which is kind of how the game is played by changing up the rules every few rounds, and we have a booklet. So nothing very fancy, not that much, but it is our first game. It's something that we are now going through the process of playtesting, going through the process of making sure we've got good looking art, and eventually these will be taken away. But you know, there's a lot of stuff that goes into that, and also the formation of like an official business, something that we can get a business license for, something that we can have investors on. We're talking about a lot of different things when it comes to that, so right now that's where that's going. It's moving forward, getting traction, which is really exciting, and that's going to be happening over the next couple weeks, and probably the next year or so we're going to try and put out some more games and actually see if we can make this a really viable company that brings in money. We'll also be doing publishing, so we're going to have people that if they want to come bring us their game ideas, they can do that. So if something that you're interested in is making games, that's something around probably later on down the road once we actually have a business set up and we're doing well, we're going to take people's ideas and help their game ideas come to life as well. So if that's something you're interested in, just let me know and let's talk about it. So besides that, I've also been working more on my game. Right now there's nothing new visually to show. I've been working on setting up the combat system, kind of the underlying part of the combat system. So visually it's exactly the same, although I have changed quite a bit about what's happening inside of it. And I'm hoping to be able to really get the combat set up and running this week, because it's mostly just duplicating what I had in my old project, but refining it and making it so that it is ready to go on a much larger scale than just one battle, and kind of just making sure it's scalable, which is one of those buzzwords which you may have heard about. But basically, I want to make sure the foundation is solid before I start throwing more stuff on top of it. And then I've also been working on videos a lot. So I've put out 4 videos this week, and for me that's quite a bit, especially since they've all been really long. The shortest one being 15 minutes. So if that's something that you are enjoying, I hope that you will give me feedback about what you want to see more of, what you want to see in the next example. So my one I just did was how to pause your game, which I think was really cool. That's actually the system that I'm using, and it works really well. So hopefully that's clear and you're able to follow along. Again, if there's anything you want to see, just let me know. Hit up my Patreon and ask about it. I'm going to put out another vote here pretty soon about what's coming up. And we might also be doing a little more of expanding about what I'm actually teaching. I've got a tutorial that might be coming up for Unity really soon that's actually not by me, but by someone else who wants to contribute to my channel. And then I'm also looking into Unreal, going to be doing some introductory tutorials for that, just to kind of branch out to see if people want that, if that's something that I'm capable of doing with the time constraints I've got, and just kind of feeling, you know, what we're going to be doing. I'm not leaving Game Maker Studio, it's what I'm building my game in, and it's where I absolutely love the community and the work and the engine itself, but I want to expand out, see what else I can do. Right now I've just been learning a lot of new skills when it comes to school, so I figured I would apply that learning to other things and see if that takes off at all. But that's what I've got. So let me know what you're doing. What games are you working on? Are you stuck? Are you moving forward? Are you getting ready to publish? Just, I'd love to know where you're at, what's going on, and yeah, let's open up a conversation. So that's what I've got for you this week. Thanks for joining me, and as always, have fun making great games, and I'll talk to you later.